All right, so we're skipping up here to isometric shape number 3, made out of aluminum. And again, grid spacing is the same 0.25. The square right here is the same size. Let's go ahead and make some marks and figure out how tall this thing is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks tall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks in the width direction. So again, that's 5 by 7. Let's take a look here. We're going to go into Fusion, hit the file, new design, sketch, green and red quadrant. I'm going to lock onto my origin like I always do to start. I'm going to click once, twice. There we go. Now, the last corner there, we're not sure if that's a right angle. In fact, it's not. Look at that. So we're going to come back here and use some tools. Constraint, perpendicular. 1, 2, and that locks in. Now these are all right angles. That's super important to make sure you do. When that wasn't a right angle, it would have been wrong. Would not be the right answer. Come up here to dimension. The height, 5 times 0.25. The width, 7 times 0.25. Top, 2 times 0.25. Let's take a peek back at the original. So that was the 2 I just did right there. And this height is 1, 2, 3. Dimension tool still on. 3 times 0.25. Now, let's see what this guy is here. Perfect. It won't let me. That means it's locked in already. And this one should also not let me. So that's correct. I'm going to finish ISO and get ready to extrude in that direction. Let's take a look at how big it is. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And of course, that's negative, minus 5 times 0.25. There's my rough shape. I've got 2 cutouts to make. Let's take a look at how I'm going to do that. The first one is right here in the middle. Rectangle, lock onto the line, lock onto the line. The distance across here is 0.25. It's 1 block. That means this one has got to be 0.5, which is 2. And this one, 0.5. Okay? Back here, we're going to finish sketch, extrude that guy back. How far? Looks like 1, 2, 3. Maybe this gets too fast for you. Make sure you slow it down. Minus 3 times 0.25. That's about right there. Let's go back and look. Looks good to me. It's only 1 wide, and it's 1, 2, 3 deep. The one up here is 3 wide, 1 deep, centered. Come back to Fusion. I'm going to do a sketch on top of that surface. Rectangle. Always make sure your rectangle is not just hovering here, it's locked on. That's 1, 2. Distance is 3 times 0.25. Distance here is 0.25. And they should be 0.25 and not let me do it. Good. Finish. ISO. Extrude that one down. I think it's just 1 block. 1 block. Which is going to be a minus 0.25. Take my object. Open up bodies, open up sketches, move the guy right there. Box around the whole thing. Oops, I missed. Nope. Box on the whole thing. Right click. physical material, metal, and it's called aluminum. Plane, grab it, drop it. All right, and then close. Box around the whole thing. Right click, properties. Everything is showing that I need. Snipping tool, new, whole thing. Copy your document. Oops, wrong one. Let's see. Right here. This is actually shape 3. Control V for paste. There it is. I've already done 4 for you as well, so we'll come down here. This next one is going to be shape 5 that we do.